Sourcetable's AI assistant can help you clean up messy real-world data. Here I have contact information for accountants in my area. The list of phone numbers includes a variety of formats, including unlabeled numbers, some labeled as office or mobile, and some that are a mix of different numbers. I'd like this single column split up into 3 columns, one for unlabeled numbers, one for office numbers, and one for mobile numbers. Fax numbers I'd like to disregard. To get the assistant's help with this task, I'll select the columns that I want to clean up, and then I'll enter my instructions in the chat. The assistant will process the data and provide you with a preview of its results. If you'd like, you can continue the chat to refine the results, or if they look like what you need, you can hover over the results and press Insert. This will add them to a new sheet.